Hey everyone, welcome to another video here from thewindowcleaningstore.com. Today I want to show you a new product we're carrying here at the store. It's the RHG portable hose reel. So it's portable in the sense you can just carry it around the property where you need it, place it down, or you can leave it in the vehicle too if you want. On the input side, you have a short length of tube. This would connect to the output of your pure water system. It's got a female brass garden fitting, so you just screw that on to the output of your Tucker Card or Easy Pure system or whatever popular pure water systems there are out there. Then you have 100 feet of 3/8 premium pure water hose. This will take you closer to your working area before you connect up with your water-fed pole hose. And so you would just screw your water-fed pole hose, or depending on what kind of connector you have. Some have the quick connect Gardena fittings. You can also work with those in between. There we go. Now, if you take a look here, you'll actually see that there's probably enough room on this reel to fit about 100 feet of this water-fed pole hose, because water-fed pole hose is usually about 5/16, and the premium pure water hose is 3/8 of an inch. So there is some space to add a little extra water-fed pole hose. And then on the side here, you have the crank for when you're reeling back up the hose. Makes it really fast and simple. So there you have it, the RHG portable hose reel, now available at thewindowcleaningstore.com. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.